this is me, Anushka. Hi, Mayank, what's up? I'm gonna take the names quickly. Anushka Aspire, Lokesh. Hi, what's up? Smile and shine, Anushka. I really like your username though. You know, it's like whenever I read, I start smiling. I'm like, smile and shine, Anushka. Hi, Purvi, what's up? What's up? How are you? Hi. Hey. Hey, Kushi, how are you? What's up? How's everyone doing? I hope you guys are good. Hi, Sakina. Hi, Sharanya. Hi. What's up, guys? Hey, Queen. Thank you. Anushka saying my babe. You look cute. Thank you, Sakina. Hey, Kushi. Hi. Quarantine sucks. I want to say that, whoa, we started with 11,000 people. That's quite unusual, but it's amazing, incredible. Hi, Devi, what's up? I'm gonna take some new names. Ilmas, how are you today? I'm great. By the way, quarantine is taking me whole. Are you in two ponytails? No, I'm not. It's just, my hair is open. It's just I'm wearing my cap like that. It just looks like two ponytails, right? Oh God. This time slain with pink. Thank you. Hi, Kushi.Savalia. I like your hair. Thank you. Hi, Molly. Oh, thank you, Sakina. Thank you. 12? Whoa. We have reached 13.6k. That's quite amazing, isn't it? Let me take a screenshot. That's nice. Okay. Your each outfit is bae. Thank you. Show your nails. It's just, okay, there's no paint on them since 2 months. For some reason, every day, like, har din, I'm like, okay, मैं आज करूँगी, आज I'll put some nail polish, and it just does not happen only. But I'm really happy with my natural nails, so I'm taking a break from painting them. Whoa, 14.3 buddies. So, firstly, I want to wish everyone Ramadan Mubarak, everyone who is, who's celebrating Ramadan, you and your family members, everyone, I wish a lot of happiness and just stay blessed. Your nails are love. Thank you so much. Thank you. We have reached 14.2k viewers. I'm just so happy. Anushka, yes. Kushi, yes. Hi Jasleen, what's up, Jas? Today is my dad's birthday. Happy birthday, Sharanya's dad. May you be happy and just stay happy. Could you say these names? Okay, I'm gonna take some names quite quickly. Hi Afika, hi Rishita, Fatima, Nikita, Almira, Vedahi, Neel, Prerna, Avneet, Himanshu, Khushi, Sidra, Rohit, Anshika, Poojan, Lakshana, Akshita, Ananya. I'm sorry, Ananya. Damn. Oh God. Anushka, what a coincidence. You came live on my birthday and on my dad's birthday too. That's so crazy. Are you ready for some riddles? Yes! Bring it on. You look so pretty in pink. Thank you so much. Do you want to see the full outfit? Because why not? Yes! I don't know why I just started dancing, but that's a vibe every time. So, new Anushkins. Wow, those were some new Anushkins. I just messed up my lipstick one second. New Anushkins, man. Thank you. Lots of love to all my Anushkins. I've been seeing some really crazy edits. I love them. Anushka, what shines the brightest? The star? Maybe? I don't know. Loose, comfy sweatshirts are bae. It's just a vibe that I'm never gonna let go. What shines the brightest? Kohinoor? No, it doesn't shine, does it? I don't know. Shit. The star or maybe something like that. There's so many new Anushkins. And the worst part is I can't see some of my new Anushkin's comments for some reason. I don't know. The answer is Anushka saying, "Oh, Khushi, I'm touched by your riddle. Thank you. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna take this name. Hinda, but I have no idea what's it. I'm so sorry. So something just happened, you know, my Wi-Fi switched to 4G and then it switched to Wi-Fi again. Like Wi-Fi is playing with me. You're not bored at home? No, I'm not bored. I've been doing a lot of stuff and I've been going live with some people, my account also, and then I've been binge watching movies and series so much, and then now I have to start studying also because I have my exams apparently in July. The last exam, not exams, I have one exam which was left in my 12th standard, so I have to start studying today. Oh, one sec, sorry. Something happened. Can you say happy birthday Nikita? She's shining sing. Happy birthday Nikita. Okay. All the best for exams. Thank you, Riyaz.idol. I have cities but no houses. I have mountains but no trees. I have water but no fish. What am I? I have no idea. That makes sense, but it doesn't make sense. I mean, I didn't understand. Oh god. Anushka, can you say hello to me? Hi Anushka Singh, not big fans. Your mood. Yeah, this should be the mood every day, so that then only I'm like super happy and stuff and everything works out for me. Answer is maps. Oh, that makes sense. That's super smart. What time do you get up during lockdown? I get up. See, I'm gonna answer frankly. So I sleep by 3 or 3:30 and I wake up by 2. That's my schedule every day. And actually I'm happy about it because it's just the same. It's just I'm having my meals with gaps and I'm sleeping also 11 hours. I'm doing all my work also. So everything's cool. So chill out. Can you see my comment? Yes, Anushka into admirer. I can see your comments. Dakshita. Okay, can I add you? I've add some. I can only see your tail, buddy. She just left, yeah. She ditched me and left. Not fair. Say hi, Bobo. Hi, Bobo. See, I'm trying to add, but it's not adding. Can somebody tell me why? I can't add. Oh God, yeah. Okay, I'm gonna use the feature and probably go live. Let's see who to add. These boys. See, half people it's coming unable to join for some reason. I don't know why. Please, somebody help me out. Okay, I'm gonna add Ria. Yeah. Can you say hi, Juhi? Hi, Avneet. Hi, Ananya. Hi, Juhi. Hi, Avneet. Hi, Ananya. Say hi, Sophie. Hi. Thank God I could add somebody. How are you? Fine. I'm good. What is your name? Ria. Ria. Where are you from, Ria? कहाँ से हो आप? Hi Ria, can you hear me? Yes. कहाँ से हो आप रिया? क्या मेरे को सुनाई नहीं दिया. कहाँ से हो आप रिया? There's something. रिया आप मेरे को सुन पा रहे हो? Oh God, it was not working out. I couldn't hear her or she couldn't hear me for some reason. Oh God, okay, I'm just randomly adding somebody else. Okay. Hi, your biggest fan. Thank you, Jasmine. Thank you so much. Thank you. Oh God, why is this not adding only anybody? Man, Instagram has to do some more stuff, man. They're not working nicely. Some features are not working, guys. Hi! Can you hear me? I can't hear you. Dang, I can't hear. Yeah, I'm good. I'm good.
Live with you.
Oh, how sweet. Hi, namaste. Kaise aap?
I'm good. Could I please take a screenshot?
Why not? Yeah, why not?
Thank you. Oh my god, this is so nice.
Oh, how sweet. What is your name?
My name is Mantej.
Sorry, your voice is cracking.
Mantej, Mantej.
Mantej. And who is that little
Yeah.
cute girl beside you?
She's my sister, Rapnoor. Hi.
Hi, how are you? You're so cute.
Hi.
You both have the same smiles. So cute.
We're just thinking that you take live. Then she said that no, she'll not take you live. But then
Aww. How sweet. There's sometimes I can't see some people's comments, and that's the reason I can't add. But I'm so glad I could add you.
oh, thank you.
Oh,
And how's
nice
it
talking to you girls. Oh,
How's
it's
the
cracking
quarantine?
for some reason. It's cracking for some reason. I can't see you clearly.
How's the quarantine going?
Quarantine's going good. There are a lot of stuff going on in quarantine, so yeah, it's going good.
Okay. So Anushka, I love your TikToks and how you dance. This is like really nice.
Thank you so much. Thank you. I'm really glad. Take care of yourselves, take care of your family, and stay happy.
Yeah. Stay happy, stay safe.
Bye.
Bye.
Take care. Aww. How cute, yeah. How cute everyone is. My god. They're so happy, you know, their expression only. I see their expression and I'm like, Anushka's earrings have lock and key. Yeah, I most of the time I'm wearing this only, if you have noticed. I don't change because it's my favorite. I have so many earrings, but this is my favorite, so I can't help it. No. So, oh god. Okay, yeah, Purvi, I'll try. Aesthetic Anushka, you want me to add? Okay, I can't see her comment. I don't know why, but I'll try. What comes twice a week, never in a month, and once a year? Weekend? No. Yeah, weekend is twice, but it comes in a month also, no? I don't know. What is it? Wait. Who did you tell me to add? Aesthetic Anushka. No, wait, I'll try. These ones. Bro, it's not coming. Aesthetic Anushka's name is not coming for some reason. Okay. Okay. Makwana Monil. Hi, Makwana Monil. What's up? Cheers. The letter E. Whoa. Man. I have checked some DMs last week. I might have missed some of them out. I'm sorry. I'll check again. Maybe there's so many. There's a lot of DMs I had to check, so that's why. And I'm mostly active on groups, so you know that's why. It's Starbucks sipper. I'm missing Starbucks, but I have to tell you guys, please don't order outside food. Still, even if it's just don't. I'm just saying don't eat outside food. That's all. One of my friends, she told me that her friend ordered outside food, so I'm saying not to do that. What's that one alphabet which have water in it? I don't know why it's not clicking only. Okay, I'm gonna check some questions. Okay, I'm gonna check some questions. Okay, this is Smita saying, I'm your big fan from Nepal. Can you add me or say my name once? Hi, Smita17. Smita underscore 17. I couldn't see a comment or else I would have added you. So if you guys comment, I can add you guys. You know, like, because the feature in which, you know, you can go inside and check names, it doesn't work out for me. So if you comment, then I can add you guys. So hi, Smita, anyways. Sea has water in it. Oh, that's incredible, yeah. That is so smart. Okay, I'm gonna see some more questions. Okay, I'm gonna check questions later. First, you guys, I'll tell you guys that if you wanna, like, if you want me to take your questions like personally, please, how do you say that? Check, write it in that box where I can click and I can answer. Okay, I'm gonna add some new people, guys. So some people I haven't added like ever. So I'm gonna add some of those. Okay, so Skid Ati W. I didn't understand. I'm just going to okay, I take my question and add me please. Add me please. Hi Shreyas, what's up? And tie me and you can walk. Untie me and you will fall. Shoelace. I am right. You have to tell me I am right. Anushka, you have to type the username of the people you want to add. Unfortunately, Insta shows you comment of only people you follow. Yeah, but I was even if I type, no, if it does not come sometimes. See, I'll try to add somebody. These boys and shit. I haven't added. Say, wait. Okay, 1 second, guys. Give me a sec. I'm gonna try adding. But seriously, I'm telling you, even if I type, no, it's not coming. It's just coming. Just it goes blank. You know, like it comes blank. What happened, Devi? Why are you sad? Maybe you have to write the exact username. But I did that. I tried doing that, but it just does not come. Like for example, I wrote aesthetic Anushka. I just can't. Can you see my comments, Anushka? Yes, they are saying I can see your comments. Yes, Rishi, I'll add you in a bit. Okay, so if you guys have filled some questions, then I'll see. When will fan page reaction video come? Oh, I have put two videos, two parts of reacting to fan pages, and you guys can check my YouTube out and stay tuned to that. There's a lot of new stuff coming up. Okay, let's see what is the other question. Anushka, as you know, quarantine is going on, so how do you spend your time? I spend my time doing a lot of stuff. Like I can suggest you guys some movies to watch. Like for example, yesterday I watched The Truman Show. It's a very good movie you guys can watch. I, of course, I would suggest watch Money Heist because it's incredible if you haven't watched it yet. What else? I'm also watching this Korean drama named The King, which is also incredible. Should watch. And currently, I'm watching Manifest. It's a series. It's crazy. So yeah, that's how I'm mostly spending time. But now I'm gonna study also. I have to start studying also. You know, like what I mean. Wait 1 second. Okay. Yeah. Oh, what's happening? What's happening? I'm a savage. Classy. Yeah, sorry. You are not answering me. Hi, Ash. I'm answering. What's the only relationship you choose? Your own for life. Don't come with family. Friendship, no? Anushka, watch 4 more shorts, please. I'll try for sure. Did you learn anything new in this lockdown? Yeah, I did. I mean, new, I would say, like my piano, I was out of practice, so I did that. What else did I learn? I learned some new workouts also. Feeling good, like I should. Okay. And also, I've been seeing some all the edits, all the paragraphs that you guys wrote for me. It's so sweet. Thank you so much. You should watch Lock and Key on Netflix. I've seen that. It's a very good series. Yeah. Anushka, give challenge to Anushkins. You guys are doing it really good on your own. Like I've seen you guys doing it. Like you guys are having your own challenges and participating, and then I'm seeing them, and it's really good. Can you drive, Anu? No, I can't. I had plans to learn, but because of lockdown. Take these names. Hi Harshita. Hi Rishta. Hi Ayush. Hi Shiza. Sujal. Sara. Nipshika. Devi. Bovo. Shan. Avneet. Can you say hi Shiza? Moonlight Saint .x. Moonlight Saint .x is Ayush, isn't it? Somebody wants me to speak in Hindi, so I'll speak in Hindi for the next couple of minutes. If you guys don't understand, please let me know. Like, who don't know Hindi, of course. Make a YouTube video a day with family and Simra. I'll try. मैं कोशिश करूँगी. और किसको मैं ऐड करूँ? मैं ऐड करने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ. Don't forget to watch Damon's daylight ring after lockdown and stuff. To buy that ring, no? Yeah, man. Hi Israr, कैसे हैं आप? मोहम्मद रिफा. Some people are telling me to speak in English और कोई बोल रहा है मेरे को हिंदी में बोलो. एक sentence को I'll have to be. But it's okay, I have no issues. मैं आधा हिंदी and half English I can talk, so I have habits. So anyways, hi Alicia. Hey, now I'm gonna add someone. Okay. Anushka's in my way. Anushka, this or that? Yes. Please ask me this or that now in the questions. Please, please, please. That'll be fun. It's a game. So you guys want me to challenge you guys? So yeah, you can ask me. Make like videos that I sent you. Sure. Speak in English so that everyone can understand. Okay. Okay. Hi Sanya. I'm trying to add Anushka say my way, but it did not work out. Koi gal nahi. Love from Indonesia. I'm trying to add you. Anushka saying not big fans. Same like Anushka. How sweet. Okay. Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. How are you doing?
I'm sit down, and you?
Yeah, everything's good.
By the way, my exams will coming soon.
Your exam?
Yes.
All the best.
Thank you.
Study well.
Can you say hi to Ansika, Akhya, Tisa, and Busangna?
Can you comment it down? Then I can say. I can read and say.
Yes. Can you say hi to Akhya, Ansika, and Tisa?
Hi to Afia.
Akhya,
Afia.
Ansika, and Tisa.
Ashika and Disha.
Yes. Where is Indra?
Sindra is good. She just left for the room, but I would have shown you. But she's not here.
You so pretty today. Oh my god.
Thank you so much. How sweet. Take care.
Yeah, can I take screenshot?
What?
Can I take screenshot?
Sure, why not?
Yeah. Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Take care.
Yeah. Love you.
Love you. Okay, now you guys can ask me this or that. Okay, so I'm gonna check this or there's this or that. So many of them. This is mostly Zen. Oh, that's quite a creative username. Piano or guitar? Piano, because I play piano, like that is easier for me. Waffles or Starbucks? Starbucks. Oh, it's Moonlight Saint. Ayush, I can't see your comments for some reason. Okay, and Tamil or Telugu? I think Telugu because when I was actually working on that film, so when they asked me to learn the Telugu dialogues, for some reason Telugu was easier than Tamil, because Tamil for some reason it's really difficult, and Malayalam is more difficult for me. So that's it. And now the next question: Thor or Iron Man? Of course, Iron Man. Iron Man any day. Or like you can ask me Iron Man versus anybody, it's gonna be Iron Man forever. But they didn't have to kill Iron Man, no, in the movie. Why did they kill my favorite character? I hated when they kill my favorite character, yeah. This is not good. Endgame में they किसी और को मार देते ना यार. Why did they have to kill Iron Man for it, yeah? Heartbreaking. Okay. Singing or dancing? Dancing. Okay. Next. Money Heist or Vampire Diaries? That's a smart question. Because I like both. Can't choose, but because it's still, if I had to choose, I think Money. I don't know. My god, okay. 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 I'm still seeing for some. Delina or Stelina? I'm Delina because Damon forever. I'm Team D. Damon. No, you're going with TVD. See, that's what I'm telling you. I can't choose between the Vampire Diaries and Money Heist because it's two different, like genre. So, if you want to ask me this or that, you can ask me in the comments also. Delina, see, I know my fans. I know myself. I know. Okay, I'm gonna add somebody. Should I add somebody random? Okay, I'll add somebody random if they take my request. Being with Damon or being with Kangna for a day? Yeah, not fair. You can't ask this. Being with Damon. Anyways. Hi. Okay, she left. Okay, no problem. Maybe she was not ready. That's cool. That's totally cool. I have no issues. Okay, let's see who else we can add. Who's this Bhavya? I made a Delina edit out of boredom. Will show you one day. Yeah, sure. I would love to. Hi, Bhavya. How are you? Oh my god, you're stuck. You're stuck with this really cute expression, but you're stuck. I hate the internet. Why do they not have good network? Bhavya, can you see me? She's doing this to somebody. Bhavya, can you see me? Or hear me? Girl, I can't hear you. मेरे को सुनाई नहीं दे रहा. Oh god, it's too blurry. I can't see anything. God, I'm so sorry. I had to remove because it's too blurry. There's some network issue a lot of places, so I understand. I can't add some of my fan pages. That's really weird. Uh, most of them it's showing unable to join for some reason. Guys, do something. Okay, I added non-existent Delina's kid in the edit. Oh wow, that's cute. And I was so scared when I almost lost my account. Even I was so scared. I don't know what's happening. So many people are losing their accounts. It's just scary as hell. I mean, please keep your account safe. And the new Instagram feature, it's so funny because जो जिन्होंने अपना नाम नहीं रखा है बायो पे, तो वो now it's showing in DMs, it's showing the names. Some of you guys have written something else instead of your names. It's so funny. Then I can't recognize, and then I have to go in, and then I'm like, oh, okay. Oh my god. Hi Bhushangana, how are you? Who's this? Nilisha. Is she here? I can't add. What is happening? My god. No. Yes. What's up? Hi. Okay. You guys. Oh, you can add pictures also here or what? See? Oh wow. You can do that. Guys, see, that's so crazy, no? Something new. So I'm gonna show you something. So this is me and my little brother last year, I think 2 years back we went to SL World and discovering new things. It's so cool. But yeah, this is me 2 years back. I like my smile in that. It's like, and this is me working out yesterday. Oh man, I'm loving this. And this is Sinra yesterday. Okay, I have to stop. Oh my god, why is it? Okay, it's gonna be like this? No, don't tell me it's gonna be like this. How do you? Okay. It was not going. My god. Oh. Holy shit. Anushka, please add Avneet. What? But I can't see that. That's what I'm telling you guys. I can't add from the list. Devi, why are you sad? Please, can you tell me what's going on? Please, nobody. I'm saying that. Please don't be sad. You forgot me. I don't forget anyone. Come on. I remember everyone. Everyone. Please say my name, Ayush. Hi, Ayush Roshi. What's up? Hi, Vidangi. Hey, hi. How are you?
Hi,
How are you doing?
how are you?
I'm good. What's going on?
I'm good, how are you?
I'm good. How's quarantine going on?
It's going so good.
Yeah? See,
How's your family?
that's the vibe everyone should follow. Very nice. I like the answer you gave.
Why you not type with me in DM?
What?
Why you not checking my DM?
So the thing is, I'll tell you, my DM thing is, DM is filled with a lot of messages. And to be very honest, I check. That's the reason I am more active in groups rather than personal. I go to personal if it's like really important or like it's about a challenge or something, and it happens really rarely. And or most of the time I'm just going through it and I find something. That's the reason I go. And most of the time I'm active in groups. That's the reason, or else it's nothing like that.
Okay. Can I take a screenshot?
Oh yeah.
Okay, done.
Yeah?
Thank you.
Thank you. Lots of love. Take care of yourself and don't be sad, please.
Bye.
Bye. What? Somebody wrote me something. Okay, Asma is saying you forgot. I'm a very big fan of you from South. Please reply to me. Today is my birthday. Please wish me. Hi, Asma. Thank you so much that you're my fan. I'm really happy and happy birthday to you. You know, guys, what happened? So, Ishan Khattar was live few days back, and I was just, I was doing nothing. I was just doing time pass, and then I saw that he was live, and then I went into his live. And I wrote, and he was listening to this song, okay, in the background, and I was like, okay, which song is that, Ishan Khattar? He replied. I wanted to screen record it like I did when I recorded Deepika Padukone saying hi, and so I wanted to record that, but I missed. I was so excited and happy that I was like, yay, I'm a big fan. I was so happy, my god. He actually replied. He's like, Anushka Sen is saying what song I'm listening to, and he went like that. It's so cute. Ah, my hand, yeah. It's पे लगा मेरे को, इस पे. Fangirl moment, yeah, man. Just, but it was still Ishan Khattar. If imagine Ian Somerhalder was live and he took my name, I would have fainted only. Hello, Slayer Sen. Do you have fans from Myanmar also? That's incredible. Thank you so much. We go the same way when you reply. Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you, man. I really like the. Dad says hi to you guys. Even my mom. Can you say happy birthday, Pragya? Happy birthday, Pragya. Okay, do you want me to add? This is some new fan page. This is aesthetically Anushka. You in a hoodie with a cap and a zipper. A mood, right? Hi. Hi, how are you? Oh wow, she's so cute. Oh, she's. Hi.
I need to breathe.
Take your moment. It's okay. Take your moment.
Mama, Mama. Oh, ਇੱਥੇ ਆਣਾ ਸੀ.
Oh, she said "Ethe aao." That's so cute.
Oh. ਕੀ ਇਹ ਗੱਲ ਬਣ ਗਈ?
Oh.
I'm so shook. Oh my god.
Oh god. Hi. Please send
Can
your
I
name. So
can I
that
have a
can take
screenshot?
your name. Yeah, why not?
I actually wasn't ready.
What's your name? Can you please tell me your name?
What?
Please tell me your name.
I can't.
You can't? No problem. No problem.
My mom.
It's okay, no issues. I just saw your. It's aesthetically Anushka, so I just wanted to address you with something, but it's okay. You're new. You're a new fan page because I haven't seen it before.
Yeah, I'm new.
That's so nice. I'll surely check your account. Then I'll get to
Thank
know
you.
you better. Where are you from? Can you tell me that? Where are you from, at least?
Italy.
Hmm?
I'm from Italy.
You're from
Italy.
Italy. Oh wow, that's good. Oh, so you can't tell me your name. You can tell me your initial, like your first letter of your name. So then I can address you by that.
S.
S. So we can call you S, Miss S. That's nice. Her name's a mystery. So we're gonna go with that.
I'm in shock. I don't know what to do.
Oh, it's okay. It's so sweet. I really loved your reaction. I was just watching quietly. I was like observing the whole thing. It's so cute, yeah. How is your quarantine going on?
I love you.
Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. Really nice talking to you. Miss S. Oh, aesthetically Anushka. My god. These your expression is so adorable. These things make my day. I mean, okay. We are back. Pritish Baduri. Anushka Sen being a baby for straight 0. Purvi, I really love the way you message like this. Okay, Kushi, I'll add you. A lot of days I did. She, I'm fumbling. Hi, Kushi. What's up? How are you doing?
Can you see me?
Long
Can you
time.
see me?
What? I can't hear you.
Can you see me? At
Yeah,
least
I can see you. Crystal clear. I can see you, Kushi.
I can't see myself. Like,
It's okay. I can
wow.
see you. Perfect.
Wait, how are you? Like after so long, I miss you so
Yeah.
much.
I added you and I had to say that the recent 2 challenges that you did were really incredible. I was so happy.
The next one is likey one. You will love it.
Yeah, I'm waiting. I'm so excited. Seriously.
By the way, can you show uncle and auntie? I miss them so much.
Oh,
Say
right
hi to
now
them.
they're a little busy. Next time probably. Yeah,
How are you?
I'm good. I'm good. Everything's going on real nice.
I can't take screenshot, man. I am black. Like the
Okay,
screen
wait.
is
I'll
black.
take a screenshot. I'll take a screenshot. I'll send it to you. Yeah. Wait.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Smile. Done. I'll send it to you.
Love you.
Take care.
You too.
It's so weird. Like why can't people see themselves? What is happening? Instagram, buddy, do something. The new heart feature. What is your views on that? Some people don't like it. I love it. Some people say that it's more than what emotion they want to show, but I really like the heart features. It's cute. What are you trying to get in the screen? That's damn adorable. Tariq bhai, kaise aap? Please add me. Somebody is saying. Okay, I'm adding new people. I'm getting to know people. It's nice. You deserve the world, all the happiness. Thank you, Purvi. Yeah. I really appreciate your love.
Wait.
Yeah, I'm waiting. Take your time.
ऐड कर लिया मुझे। चलो पे देखिए कैसे तुम कैसे अरे कैमरा नहीं हो पा रहा। चलो पे वेट
Relax, relax, आराम से. कोई बात
ये
नहीं.
अनुष्का
हाय, कैसे हो
Oh
आप
my
सिद्रा? आपका नाम सिद्रा है ना?
yes
कैसे हो आप
oh my
सिद्रा?
god I can't just imagine man
Aw,
oh my god
thank you so much.
so much please you added me
How are you doing? कहाँ से हो आप? अरे why you crying? Oh my god, please don't cry. Oh, please don't cry.
yeah Anushka I can't express you seriously
Oh my god, thank you so much. I'm
can I take a screenshot
please take a screen. Firstly, calm down, okay? Smile. I really want you to smile, okay? Yeah. Now do
wait
nice smiling. Take a screenshot, okay?
wait okay fine
Aw.
wait I'm taking this wait
Take.
here's my sister
Hi. How are you?
Anushka
Hi. How are you doing?
you're looking so pretty in pink
Thank you so much. Appreciate it. Thank you.
my sister
Where
is
are
a
you
big
guys
fan of
from?
yours
Thank you. I feel that. But where are you guys from?
I've DM'd you so many times, but you haven't seen it.
I have so many DMs unread. I feel so bad. Seriously. I can't.
Very
I can't
Sindra.
find it only. Even in comments, it's really
And my
tough for
sister is
people.
a big fan of Sindra.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Very Sindra.
Sindra, wait. I try to. Sindra, Babu. I hope she comes. Give me a minute.
Okay.
Where are
just
you guys
come.
from, by the way? Where are you guys from?
We are from Delhi.
Sorry, where?
Delhi.
Delhi. That's amazing. Okay, nice. I keep coming to
Can you
Delhi
please
so many
check
times.
DM after this live?
What?
Can you check DM after this live?
I'll surely try to do that. I'll really try to do that.
Yeah, literally, I love you, Anushka.
Thank you, Sidra. It means a lot. Thank you. Thank
And
you.
my name matches your Sindra.
Wait, she's here. One second. Sidra. Wait, let me walk up to her.
Oh,
hi.
she's so cute. I literally love it.
Thank you. Thank you.
Sindra.
She was sleeping. That's why her eyes are like that.
Wait, me, I want to take a screenshot with Sindra too.
Sure, why not?
Can I take?
Yeah, why not? Sidra, show.
Thank you.
Yeah? Got it?
Anushka, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much. And thank you.
It's a pleasure. It's my pleasure. Thank you.
Lots of love.
Thank you. Lots of love to you and your cute sister. And please take care. Lots of love. I'll also make a hug.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Take care. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Oh man. I was only going to cry. My god. How sweet. This is my favorite cap. For some reason, I just really like this cap. What? Sainspedia? Wow. It's like Wikipedia Sainspedia. No one, literally no one else can see it. I'm a savage. Sassy, bougie. Hi. Sainspedia. That's a very nice name. How did you come up with that?
Thank you so much for adding me.
Oh, कैसे हो आप?
बहुत बढ़िया. Thank you so much. I can't express you.
Oh.
मैं
कहाँ से हो आप?
ग्वालियर.
Gwalior. Beautiful. Very nice. I have never been to Gwalior, but मैं आऊँगी जरूर. जब लॉकडाउन और ये सब ठीक हो जाएगा, of course.
How are you?
I'm good. What's your name?
Niharika.
Niharika. How old are you?
20.
20. Oh. How did you come up with that name? Sainspedia. That's really creative.
Thank you so much.
I'll surely check out your account. I have to see so many accounts that I haven't seen, but I'll surely check it out.
Can I take a screenshot?
Yes, why not?
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you. Really nice talking to you, Niharika. You're really cute. Thank you. Lots of love.
Thank you.
Oh, how sweet. I'm really happy that Instagram is cooperating with me and I can add people. Like last time I couldn't add and last time also I couldn't add. Oh, you know guys, I can do this also with my... Yes! It's like... if it's too cold, you can just do like this. Oh, it's like you know, like the series You. The new like feature is so cute. People end up with convos and like feature so yeah. Siddharth Nigam says girl karke 110 million guys. How are you, Siddharth? Champ, what's up? Guys, thank you so much for showering so much love. 112 million girl karke. So happy, yeah. Thank you. From me, from Siddharth, from everyone. Sane addicted. Scene addicted. Okay, I'll just go live with scene addicted. Oh, Bella Ciao, Bella Ciao. Oh, Siddharth nailed it. No, guys, everyone who has participated in that. I'm good, Anushka. I'm sleeping. Can't come live. No problem. Siddharth, it's okay. No issues. But gal karke, yes. Guys, do you know Siddharth has a special talent? He can laugh like Denver in Money Heist. See, he's writing also. Ah. I'm not even gonna try it. It's so bad. He does it really nicely, guys. इतना अच्छा हंसता है ना Siddharth, that Denver laugh. Real nice it is. Oh God. Imagine me and Siddharth had a conversation of 20 minutes only about Money Heist. That's how big fans we are of Money Heist. See, Money Heist people, we are big fans. Money Heist. So after this lockdown, Abhishek bhaiya, me and Sid might do a heist. We were talking like that. या तो हम heist करेंगे या तो हम एक series करेंगे, like as a joke, of course. But yeah, how nice, a lot of fun. Oh my God. These voices. Would you like to speak Marathi? I forgot only. I knew थोड़ा सा मराठी, but थोड़ा याद नहीं आ रहा मेरे को. Khushi Kumar, yes, my friend who has helped me so much, and we have studied together. Good times, huh, Khushi? I never expected कि boards की पढ़ाई में we'll have so much fun. What are you gonna rob our hearts? Oh my God, my hair is getting messed up. Don't mess up, bro. Stay. See Bengali. কেমন আছো? These voices. Hey Brinda, hi Jema. Hey Brinda, hi Jema. What's up? How's the quarantine days going? Really good, yeah. Really, really good. Oh damn, we died. Oh God. And the Broski's account, guys, you can check that out as well if you haven't already. But it's crazy. I mean, my best friends are crazy, and me as well, of course. Exam doge aap? Hanji, of course. Okay, let's see the question answer box. They're asking me your best friend. Depends. I have so many best friends. Yeah. I have Nidhi Kisha, I have Ipshita. They're my best friends. Do you want to see something cool? Me and Sinra that I haven't showed something. Which one should I show? See, this is me from yesterday. This was there, and look at this. This is what. Oh, look who's here! My God, Amay Pandya. What's up, Amay? How are you doing? So cute. Yeah, Keisha. Keisha. Why am I saying Keisha? Me and Sindra were having a lot of fun yesterday. And also I was talking to Keisha last night. Bella Ciao. Bella Ciao, just, it's a vibe. Never, just, it never gets boring, isn't it? Oh, how sweet, Sharanya. Farooq. Hi, Farooq. Hi, Daksh Patel. Hi, Amay. What's up? Are you?
Dude,
What are you wearing?
what is this?
Twinning?
What is this? Pink.
Yes.
What is this?
Oh, color coordination. Amay.
Yeah, bro.
Wow, man.
I was playing a game and then I got this notification some time back, but I couldn't join. तो मैंने सोचा अभी देखूं कि अभी तक है कि नहीं. So I came here to see, and I was like, wow, pink. That's why I wrote wow. Beta.
Oh wow, this is happening for the first time. Sis.
Yeah, bro. First time. Yeah. Ouch.
Oh,
My phone fell
did you
off,
fall?
but I caught it. No, my phone fell, but I caught it. So now
Why
see.
did you say ouch? फोन गिरा तो फोन के लिए खुद ouch बोल
अरे
दिया.
बट पकड़ने के लिए I had to move myself, so I hit myself here. Too much explanation you want. Do you want to? You didn't send me that snap. Do you know something? I got the snap though, for your information.
What snap? That
The
snap.
one from yesterday.
How?
Yeah.
How?
That I won't tell.
You have to tell me, not fair. कुछ भी ना ऐसे ही और सेम नो.
I will send it to you after the live.
हाँ ठीक है चलो okay.
100%.
Yeah. We'll see.
What else? What were you doing? What was the agenda for the live? Just general chilling, or did you have some
Just
announcement?
general chilling live, you know, like I came live after a long time somehow.
Ah, apart from once when you came with someone who was expressive.
Yeah, Amay.
I'm not saying anything, so no one's gonna know who I'm talking about.
Amay, my God, yeah.
Yeah, I was seeing my insights yesterday, and I saw this one thing which said that 60% of the people that I follow you. No, not I follow. 60% of the people that follow me follow you,
Again.
which is 60%, 60% of the people, like human,
I understand.
that
Amay,
follow me
yeah, follow me.
also follow you.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is what
We
I
have
meant.
60. So in short, you can say 60% we have mutual fans. That's
No,
what you're saying. No.
from my side, your
your
60% fans. Yeah, your 60% fans is more than my entire Khandan combination.
You can't have 8 million people का खानदान. Amay.
No, मैं बोल रहा हूँ मेरे पूरे खानदान के इंस्टाग्राम फॉलोअर्स को ज्वाइन करो, फेसबुक फॉलोअर्स ऐड कर दो, ट्विटर फॉलोअर्स ऐड कर दो, कांटेक्ट नंबर ऐड कर दो, तब जाके भी नहीं होंगे 60%.
Oh,
60% of
see, guys, golden hour. Amay Pandya, me in the golden hour
golden hour.
moment.
Yeah, bro, I love this golden hour.
है ना?
When is your golden hour snap coming?
Huh?
No, yeah, never.
There is no golden hour here. It is in the morning, and I don't wake up. It comes
No,
only
you
in the
can
morning.
wait. You can stay up for 30 more minutes, and you will see the golden hour because
Oh,
you
yeah.
sleep.
How
Okay,
smart
guys.
is that?
Fun fact of those guys, to those guys who don't know, she sleeps 5 minutes before the sunrise so that she doesn't go in guilt. So that she slept on that day.
Amir, sis, you're lying. I sleep by
Yeah.
3:30.
Both of us know you don't. Sunrise is
Seriously?
at 7 o'clock. When it's at 7 o'clock, you sleep at 6:45. When it's at 8:30, you sleep at 8. If it's
Guys,
at 6,
please,
you
to be
sleep at
very
5:30.
honest, this person right here is wearing pink, but he's lying. You are not supposed to lie
Guys,
wearing pink.
I'm
Pink never lies.
being very honest. This person is
I'll tell you.
Snapchat hashtag
I'll
one
tell
for me,
people
so
what
I
you want
can
to-
tell that for a fact.
Guys, this person tells me कि मेरा sun logic है, मैं जल्दी सोता हूँ, जल्दी उठता हूँ, blah blah thing, and he sleeps by 2. खुद का ही
No,
checkmate कर देता
I
है वो.
don't. No, that was one day.
2 days. Amay, don't
That
lie.
was-
Amay, stop
Oh
lying.
my god. You checkmated me that day. I was like, shit. I got given the earphones because my sister thinks that I'm too loud apparently. So she's like, "Rakh le."
Guys, did you hear?
But no, guys, I'm telling you, that is genuinely her sleep pattern.
See, this is what
Because-
happens when you lie. So guys, don't lie, okay? That's what happens when you lie, you fumble.
No, that is what happens when you try to save your friend. You know, so you have thoughts of whether or not you should say it. That's the point.
When did I sleep by 6:45?
How?
He only knows. I have no idea. Amay, stop.
Anushka,
that
not
you're talking
6:45,
about somebody
5.
else.
5:30.
You were talking
You hit
about somebody
5:30 every day.
else. Amay, stop.
If Snapchat had a last seen feature,
Achha?
if and it should be like your best friend can see when you slept. Then I would have exploited your case. See, why are you laughing now?
कुछ भी you're saying. कुछ भी.
No, no.
My
Arey,
God,
my
some
bad. You
people are
to
actually
sleep.
agreeing with you. That's the issue.
I-
He's lying
No.
to people. He's
See,
lying.
first, no.
No,
Guys,
Nama, you should
I
come
can.
live with Anushka. We'll get to know Anushka's secret. There's no secret. I have a lot of Amay's
Yeah.
secret. He does not have any of my
Oh, oh. Yeah, that's because you don't tell me stuff. That's not my fault.
secret. Because I don't have stuff to tell you about.
Do
Like,
you want me to get
secretive
started
stuff.
about the? Do you want me to get started about the 2 year thing?
Please,
Not
yes.
on live. Not on live.
Not on live. That is on video call.
Not on. Yeah, that's on video call. Our video call is pending, so this is
Yeah.
our video call now.
So Amay, this I can say. Amay has been. So Amay, what Amay does is he's like, कि अरे यार, you're so busy. हमें video call करना है, and this guy only for since 3 days is somewhere else. And he's like,
No, I
"Shit,
call her
yaar,
every day, she
नहीं
doesn't
हुआ,
answer."
Next time करते हैं, next time.
I call you every day. You don't answer. Let's keep it that way,
Amay, stop. मैं
dude. I get so many DMs from your fans.
yeah, I'm
Yeah,
really
I
happy
sent
to
you
see
know
you.
one.
Yeah.
See, one of your fans told us that are we best friends, and then I was like, are we? And then
That's
we
how we
became
started
Snapchat
talking.
best friends. Yeah, exactly. So I don't remember. Do you remember the name of that fan club?
Yeah, Anushka Sen, my bae. She was right here today. So then that's the reason.
Anushka Sen, my bae, you were the reason why we started talking again.
Again, like
Yeah. Again, in the sense, like in quarantine, we've
in
not
quarantine.
spoken.
Yeah, because
Yeah.
he's
And-
busy playing.
Yeah, she's very
and
busy,
Stuff
so,
like
you know.
that. Amazing.
Sure. So after that, we started talking, and now we are Snapchat best friends,
Yeah.
which is an accomplishment.
See, and we're wearing pink also.
Pink for days. Anyway,
God, yeah.
you should be adding more people. Are you adding people in general?
Yeah.
Like fans?
Today I added.
Right
I
now?
could. Fortunately, I could add people. Or
Wow.
else what happens is
Because you had
sometimes
network
Instagram-
issue.
No,
Yeah,
yeah. Sometimes it just does
no,
not
not
work
network.
out.
I think Instagram just says that you can't add this person, this, that.
It comes unable to join sometimes.
Yeah.
I don't know why. But anyway.
But how did you share that? How did you share like some image or whatever?
That cool.
Today?
That cool. I'm
That's a
saying,
new
that cool.
feature. That cool. That's a new feature, no?
Yeah, it's a feature. वो जो filter वाला option आता है उसके बाजू में ही है. It is a box where you can see your picture.
ये हमेशा से था कि अब आया है?
मेरे को नहीं मालूम. अभी ध्यान
I
दिया
was
मैंने.
today years old when I realized that.
Same.
Crazy.
Crazy.
Nice,
yeah.
nice. You add a few people now. I'm going to
Yeah.
see the live though, so
Yeah,
that you know I see what you talk to people about, and then I can take your case.
Yeah. And then the video call I'll answer you. I'll answer you 6:45.
Okay.
See you.
No, we'll talk. Don't worry.
Yeah. Sure. Take care.
Chalo. Bye. See you.
God, yaar. Amay is a. I know him since 8 years now. It's the same. Anushka I discovered, no guys, I don't sleep by 6:45. He's saying ऐसी कुछ भी is saying ask my parents. I sleep by 3:30. Max to max 4. Max. Like there are days sometimes I've slept by 4. So see, this feature is cool, no man. This, yes, see, I see that Anushkans are on my side. No, Amay, they're on my side. No. See, guys, I was seeing this. I was watching this. It's repeating because it's a small snap. Ha ha. I'll be back for a minute, quick. What? What do you want to say now? After ages, oh my god, I miss you guys so much. है ना? अम्मा को बोलो, मेरे को नहीं.
Guys,
What do you want
guys.
to say?
Just wanted to make it clear that she sleeps by 3 only. I was just messing with you guys.
Thank
And
you.
this is not
Amay.
because I'm trying to cover something or I don't want her to be in bad light. This is me genuinely saying that she sleeps at 3 only. So don't go on her now. Otherwise she'll come at me. That's the problem. You can go at her, but if she doesn't come at me, then it's fine.
Amay, you know
No,
me.
I didn't say anything. I'm just saying you sleep at 6 in the evening. You only got it wrong. Chalo, carry on. I just wanted to clarify this point.
Thank you,
And they're
Amay.
on my side. I can read a few people saying that. So
Achha?
don't feel bad. Don't feel bad. It's fine. Happens to the best of us. Bye. But no, guys. 3 o'clock. That's her deadline. At least that's what she tells me. Now I don't know what happens after that. Bye bye.
Bye, Amay. I'll talk to you. This is Amay Pandya for you guys. God, today's live was fun, yeah. It's so good live. Such a nice live, man. I had a lot of fun, yeah. Miss you, Amay. Please oftenly come. We love you guys together. Sure. See, Angelic Anushka's laughing. Jess is saying hi. Everyone's laughing. That's so nice. Oh my god. See, Amay, that's nice. At least Amay made you guys laugh. Oh god. Love your friendship. Hana? See, Amay. Anushka, make how well? Yeah, Kushi. I would. Let's see. We need a hair flip. How do I do a hair flip? Shit. Oh god. Okay, I can do that like this. Oh no, it's not happening. It's only happening this much. Oh my god. Keisha is here. Keisha, bro, where are you, man? I can't see you, buddy. It's a good morning, by the way, guys. She's gonna kill me now. Guys, 3 a.m., I swear. Oh no, yeah. Super funny is. Oh, do with hands, yeah. Oh! Okay. Oh god. I hope you join in group Anushkins Indonesia. I'll surely join. Don't matter when Anushka say 3 a.m. it is. That's where I have been asked to say. I did not. Oh god, yaar. Amen. Proud stan Anushka. Totally. God. But okay, it's 6:30, so I'll take your leave. But oh god. Okay, so it was really fun being live with you guys, and I'm so grateful that I could add some new people, and thank you for all your love and all your edits, and I've been reading your paragraphs and stuff, and it actually makes me really happy. So take care of yourselves. Please don't go out, please, and please don't please don't order outside food. Stay at home, eat home ka khana, and be in touch with your friends. Khabar lete raho unka, and just like that. Hair OP always. And keep laughing like you were. So take care and bye bye. Ciao, Bella, ciao, whatever, and I'll see you guys soon.